Did some dinosaurs move slowly? Yes. Dinosaurs with thick, short legs were probably very slow. The tank-like Ankylosaurus, Ankylosaurus, or armored lizard, which grew as long as 25 feet, probably moved along at less than 5 miles per hour. The huge sauropods, such as Apatosaurus and A Brachiosaurus, lumbered forward slowly as well. There are far slower land animals on the earth today. Some turtles move only 1/4 of a mile per hour. How do scientists know if dinosaurs were fast or slow? They can figure it out by measuring fossil dinosaur tracks. The faster an animal runs, the longer its strides. Did dinosaurs have sharp teeth? The meteors did. They needed sharp, pointed teeth, often noticed like a saw, to catch and eat their prey. The powerful Tyrannosaurus had as many as 60 knife-like teeth, some of which were 6 inches long. Did plant-eating dinosaurs have teeth? Yes, but they were smaller and less pointed than teeth belonging to a carnivore hadrosaurus, or duck-billed lizard, were plant-eaters. Hadrosaurs, including Cretasaurus, had several rows of teeth to help grind tough plant fibers. They had no teeth at the front of their mouth, but inside were as many as 2,000 teeth in all. Which dinosaurs had the longest claws? All dinosaurs had claws of some kinds on their feet and hands, but the meat eaters tended to have particularly long and sharp ones. A huge carnivore named Deinonychus, or terrible hand, did in fact have frightening hands. Each one was 2 feet long. 3 fingers on each hand were armed with hook-like claws that were as long as 12 inches. One of the strongest claws belonged to a 2-footed plant eater named Iguanodon. It had long spikes for thumbs. The spikes grew at right angles to the other 4 fingers and were probably used as weapons. Which dinosaur had horns? Some plant-eating dinosaurs developed armor to protect themselves from the meat eaters had shields with horns were one form of protection. The big four-footed triceratops, which means three-horned face, had one short, thick nose horn and 2 enormous horns on its brow. Growing over 3.5 feet long, Triceratops was so well protected by his horns and neck frill that it was one of the last dinosaurs to become extinct. Which dinosaur had spines on its back? Spinosaurus. The horned thorn lizard, or the thorn lizard, was a large meteor with a blade on its back, somewhat like the fin of a sailfish, covered with skin. The blade had spines on it that were as much as 6 feet long. The blade may have helped control the animal's body temperature. Which dinosaur had the biggest armor plates? The Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Or the plated lizard was a four-legged plant eater about the size of an elephant. The large bony plates that ran in two rows down its back grew as big as 2 feet wide and 2 feet tall. The plates may have helped this animal, too, to control body temperature and to keep meteors away. Stegosaurus also had sharp 1 foot spikes at the end of its strong tail. Which dinosaur left the biggest footprint? A Brachiosaurus. One of the huge elephant-legged sauropods left footprints over 2.5 feet long. The broad, padded feet of this dinosaur were the size of a big bass drum. Now, are there many dinosaur footprints left? Yes, literally thousands, scattered all over the world. On every continent in some places, dinosaur parks have been established so that people can visit and see fossilized footprints and tracks. There were footprints interesting. Dinosaur tracks give scientists information that would have trouble learning any other way. Tracks give clues about how and where a dinosaur walked, how fast it would move, whether it herded or hunted with other dinosaurs, whether it knew how to swim, and even how it stalked its prey. How are baby dinosaurs born? How are baby dinosaurs born? Dinosaur babies hatch from eggs. Many fossilized eggs have been found in the last 50 years, some with tiny fossil bones inside. Female dinosaurs lay their eggs and nested on the ground. One of the biggest dinosaur eggs ever found. Roundish eggs, twice the size of an ostrich egg, have been found in France. They probably belong to the sauropod called Brachiosaurus, or high lizard, referring to its high neck. The eggs were found in groups of 5 lying wide. Shell is dug into the dirt. The dinosaurs take care of their babies. Some parents left newly hatched babies to fend for themselves, but others seem to have cared for their young. 50 babies and duckbills known as Maiasaura were found in the nest together too long ago in the state of Montana. The teeth of the babies always showed a little wear from chewing food. An adult Maiasaura was found nearby. The parent probably brought food to the babies until they were big enough to leave the nest and find food for themselves.